The ostrich and cassowary are two of the largest flightless birds on Earth, yet they're worlds apart in style and temperament. The ostrich, native to Africa, is the fastest bird on land, sprinting up to 70 kilometers per h with long legs built for speed and powerful kicks that can fend off predators like lions. In contrast, the cassowary of Australia and New Guinea is considered the most dangerous bird alive. Its dagger-like middle claw can slice through threats with a single kick. Ostriches thrive in open savannas, while cassowaries dwell in dense rainforests. Both are ancient survivors, using speed, strength, and sharp instincts to dominate their environments.